Okay guys, welcome back, and we are supposed to solve the quadratic, this one. 4x squared minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, leaving our answer in what, in a set form. And if you want to use factorization, you have to multiply this 4 by this 5. That will give us 20. But the factors of 20, none of them will give us what? The addition of negative 2 and the multiplication of 20. Therefore, we use completing of squares. Alright, so let's jump straight in. Just change my color to blue. Okay, so let's go. So I have first of all, what I'll do is to make sure that the coefficient, which is here, should be 1. So I'll divide through by what? 4. So I'll give me 4x squared over oops. Okay. Sorry. Let's take this thing off. I have what? 4x squared over 4 minus 2x over 4 minus 5 over 4 is equal to 0 over 4. So I'll divide through. So what happens is this one will cancel this one. So I'll be left with what? X squared minus 2 will cancel for 1. So 1 over 2x minus 5 over 4 is equal to 0. This is 0. And then I'll send this one to the other side. X squared minus half x is equal to 5 over 4. So here what I'll do is this. I'll look for half of what? This. Half of negative half. So what I'm going to do is just this short thing here. It's negative half. Then I'll look for half of it. I'll multiply by half again. That will give me a negative 1 over 4. Then I'll square it. Then I'll add it to both sides of the equation. I'll add it to this side of the equation, and I'll add it to this side of the equation. That is all. So that's what I'm doing now. So that will give me what? X squared minus half x plus this. Okay, plus negative 1 over 4 all squared is equal to 5 over 4 plus negative 1 over 4 all squared. I hope you're okay. Sure. Okay, so let's continue. And I have to simplify. Let me just take some small part of my board out. So if I continue here, I'm going to get, so if I'm going to simplify this into one equation, so that will just give me what? X minus 1 over 4 all squared. If I expand this bracket, I'm supposed to get all this thing here. So you can try it and see if you expand this bracket whether you get all this thing here. Alright, so that's equal to 5 on 4 plus 1 on what? Square root of 4 is 16. Okay, so I'll just get x minus 1 on 4 all squared is equal to, I find the LCM, I'm supposed to get what? 21, 4 here, 4 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 1. Okay, so that gives me x minus 1 over 4 all squared equals what? 21 on 16. Okay, let me just move to the top here. Okay, so I'll continue at the top there. Before, let me change my color to which color? Yellow. Okay, so that will give me x minus 1 of 4 all squared equals what? 21 on 16. So what do? I find the square root of both sides. Plus or minus. So what happens? This cancel out the square root, so I'll be left with x minus 1 over 4 is equal to plus or minus root of 21 and 16. So I'll move the 1 over 4 to the other side and I'll get what? 1 over 4 plus or minus root of 21 and 16. So I just find LCM for it. So I'll get what? 4 plus or minus root of what? 16 root of let me check. Let me use my calculator to check something quickly. 21 16. Okay, so root of 4 will be root of 16 is 4, so I have 21 all on 4. This is 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4. Okay, so let me just take on this side. I think we are okay with this side. Okay, so that gave me s equals, so if I crunch it on my calculator, I'm supposed to get 1 plus or minus root of 21 all 4. So that's going to be s is equal to 1 plus root of 21 all 4 or 1 minus root of 21 all on 4. So these are the values of x in set 4. Okay guys, if you have any comments, you can put in the comment section below. If not, you can move on to part 4 of this trial where we tackle question 4. Are you okay? Okay, if you have not subscribed, please do so as we jump straight in. Okay, all right, see you guys later.